how to connect Messenger to Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Quick Guide. Today in this tutorial video, I am going to show you guys how you can connect your Messenger to Instagram. Make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't make any mistakes. Now let's get started. Firstly, after opening your Messenger, here in this screen you can see the three dots at the top left corner. Click on it. Again, click on the gear shift icon in order to get into your account settings. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page until you see the option of see more in account center. Now click on it and you will be appeared on the account center of your Facebook account. Now click on the accounts under the topic of account settings. In this page, you will see all of your Facebook and Instagram accounts. Now let's click on the option of add accounts. Now it will ask you if you want to continue this process, so click on continue. Now here you will see all the information on what happens when you connect your two accounts. If you want to read this information, simply read the information and finally click on the option that says yes, finish adding. After that, wait for a second and now your Messenger account will be connected to Instagram. So there you have it. In this easy and simple way, you can connect your Messenger account to Instagram. I hope this tutorial helped you. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll meet you on next video. Till then, stay updated. Bye.